Welcome to Big Daddy Storytime. We're reading Disney's Ratatouille. Run, Remy, run. This is Remy. Remy is not like the other rats. He walks on 2 feet. He reads books. He watches TV. He wants to be a chef. One day, Remy got lost. He ended up in Paris. Remy watched a boy make soup. The boy spills soup. What will he do? The boy makes more soup, but the soup is bad. The skylight opens. Remy falls down. Remy lands in the sink. Swim, Remy, swim. Remy gets out. He is scared. The kitchen is busy. Run, Remy, run. Remy sees an open window. Will he get out? Climb, Remy, climb. Oh no, Remy falls into a pan. Jump, Remy, jump. He lands in a pan. Jump, Remy, jump. Remy sees the boy. The boy tastes the soup. Yuck! Run, Remy, run. But Remy stops running. He smells the soup. The soup stinks. Remy wants to fix it. Cook, Remy, cook. Oh no! The boy sees Remy. The chef sees the boy. He is angry. No one is watching. The soup gets served. Will the soup taste good? Yes! That rat can cook. What we have learned today, we learned that Remy was not like the other rats, but that was okay because he was special. He could cook, and cooking was special to Remy. Be sure to like, favor, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Storytime. Be blessed. Bye-bye.